Namaste friends. Today I will show you how to create podcast in the Anchor app. I showed in first episode how to create your channel in Anchor app, how to name it. Now I am going to show you how to create podcast by using Anchor app. In this app you can create and publish all podcast. So on this home screen click on plus sign and then your podcast recording has been started. Look at the flag sign mark. Wherever you think during recording there are some mistake and you need to edit, just tick on flag, so it will remember you when you are editing the audio file. So in this way it is recorded. Recorded file can be seen like this. You can add some background music to your audio recorded file. This file not yet published, it is just saved in the app itself. You can just preview it, you can play it and you can listen it. If you like it, then you can keep it, otherwise you can undo it. Undo means it will be deleted and save means it will be saved. So listen it and then decide what to do. The next action, adding background music. The background music is there in the gallery of the app. So find out the best suitable background music to the content of your audio lecture. You can browse the gallery, listen it, preview it, and then only you can click on plus sign if you want to add it to your audio lecture. Remember, select the most appropriate background music which will enhance the content. So if you click on plus sign, then you will able to listen that background music with your audio file. Since I am recording this audio, that's why you're not able to hear that particular podcast, because that audio is mute. But during your recording time and listening time, you can listen your audio lecture with the background music that you have selected. So if you liked it, then you can click on save option. If you don't like it, you can again click on record background music and you can rename it. When you want to save your podcast, your audio lecture, this window will appear. Give a name to your audio lecture. You can see there new list, add to episode. You can create various episode based on the content. So you can the episodes are like a folder, so you can keep all the similar content in a single folder. Suppose your all geography lecture in one folder, that is one episode. All English lecture in English folder, so it will be English episode. So episode are the collection of various audio files, various audio lectures. So in this way you can name your lecture. I have given name, it is saved. So you can see it is going to save. It is not published yet, it is just saved in the app. Once it is saved, you can see it, you can play it. Still you can delete it and you can give some edits in this audio lecture. You can do all the edits like changing the background music. You can edit the audio itself. Here you can listen it, you can cut it, and you can split it. So not much, but few additions can be done in this stage. You need to listen it carefully, and remember, if you have put the flag, the flags will be displayed over here during the recording if you have put the flags. So it is saved. Now you need to publish this podcast. These are published means it is available on Google Podcast or other podcast. So when you are clicking on publish, you need to name it. So type the name of the audio lecture and then give the description of the audio lecture. In the description, mention the content briefly and the target group briefly. The summary of your lecture should be given into the description. And episode, season and episode. Season means a broader concept, a folder, and episode is a number of file in that particular topic. So you can create different seasons and episode for different topics. Now this is going to be published. So it is published. It means it is available for the listeners on different podcast apps. Though it is published, still you can edit it, delete it. All the options are available all the time. So this podcast is available on different platforms of podcast listening. Listeners don't need to have Anchor app, they need to have podcast app. You can share your published podcast, your audio lecture on different platform. You can share the link, so they will able to listen it, and they will come to know that you are working on audio podcast. So podcasts are useful like YouTube videos. YouTube videos are really big in size, but audio lectures are small in size and easy to download and easy to listen. Some topics are very easy to understand by the audio itself, so make the podcast of the topics which are easy to listen and easy to understand. So instead of making the videos of it, you can make the audio files and you can simply save it and publish it with the help of this Anchor app. Anchor app is basically to create podcast and to publish the podcast. In this way it is published, and we can see analytics of our published podcast, published audio lectures, how many have seen it, how many have visited it. So it can be seen the analytics in your profile. So in this way, Anchor is a very good platform to create audio channel and to publish your podcast, which will be available on Google Podcast or Apple Podcast and the rest of the podcast. So use it, create it. Thank you very much for listening.